The cracks in the markets are starting to show. The geopolitical risks are heating up. I actually wasn't going to make a look ahead for the coming week video today on Sunday because the markets aren't open tomorrow in the US. But when I looked at the news, I thought I probably should make a video about the geopolitical risks that are really starting to come alive more than ever. Um, there's the whole Greenland thing, where Trump wants to put more tariffs on NATO allies based on the fact that they don't want him and aren't going to let him take over Greenland. The EU leaders are calling an emergency summit to discuss what kind of military action that they may take if the US pushes this. The Iran thing is still in play. There's talk about a possible war there if the Iranian leader is removed by the US. The Canadian Prime Minister aligned Canadian trade deals with China, giving the impression that if it comes to it, Canada will align with China over the US, calling it a new world order, the Canadian Prime Minister said, which was a comment meant to send a message. So, market wisdom I want to give out today. The key point I want you to take is that when it comes to your trades, you can't place trades or manage trades based on whether you like Trump or don't like Trump. Markets aren't open tomorrow, but the futures markets have already opened. You can see here, this is the S&P futures, the ES mini. It's gapped down below the trend line. We broke the trend line, and we'll just have to see if that continues red. Same thing with the Nasdaq here, kind of holding up at the 100-day moving average. Not sure if it will or not. And real quick, the VIX. The VIX is not elevated, but it's definitely coming alive. The big question is here, is the AI theme going to save this chart come Monday? And the only thing I can really say is if it does, I don't know that I would consider that this trend line is on anymore. I would call this now consolidation, full on. If you're not familiar with the Edge Foundry, what we do is we help traders who've been trading for a number of years and haven't managed to get consistently profitable yet. We help them to develop a clear path forward to get consistently profitable. The markets and the path to getting consistently profitable are not a mystery. So if you want to know more about it, if you don't have a clear path forward to getting consistently profitable, watch this video.